believe you posted that. Yeah, neither. That's awesome. All right, so we are week 1 at the
Bigelow Library,
Bigelow Free
Public Library.
Public Library. My name is Jim, this is Christina, that's Marie. This is all possible because of a grant from
The Community Health Network of
Community
North
Health
Central
Network,
Mass.
North Central Mass. Excellent. Thank you very much for the grant. This allows us all to be here. All right, so we are doing beginner cha-cha. We started with a basic step. So our basic step was 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. We went from a basic step into a outside partner break, which was 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, where we just rotate, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, number 3, 4, and then we went on to a crossover break, also known as a New Yorker. Why do they call it New Yorker? I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1, and then we finished with the underarm turn for the lady. I'm sorry. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Then we took all the patterns that we learned and we put them into one amalgamation. And it looks a little bit like this with a couple variations in it. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. We did one crossover. Going into those outside partner break. So there we go. We do 3 of those, then we do another crossover, finishing with the followers under our turn. Thank you, Christina.